How to tame a cat in Minecraft. So first, just go find a village. And now, as you can see, there's a cat. So make sure that you have your fish ready. It could either be a raw salmon or raw cod right there. And I'll just gently approach the cat since they can easily be scared away. So just simply gently approach the cat. Once you're close enough, just simply need to right click on them. But this might take some time. Just simply need to be careful with it. So as you can see, they just really run off. So right click on them. It might take some time. Just need to go to the cat and just feed them till a heart pops up just like that. As you can see, I now have tamed the cat. When I right click on him, we now have the cat as our pet. And that's how I basically tame a cat in Minecraft.